Hey man, have you heard about that collaboration called FLUIDSTOCK? If you haven't, well let me tell you about it. On day one, there's Brian Seglaski from Brian's Upper Valley Artistry. Then Holly Fisher from The Morning Paw Art with Holly. Then Kristen and Kayla from K Create. Get out of here! Then Nate Bright Art. Yes! Then Anna Blount Art. Yee-hoo! Followed by Sarah Mack. Can you believe Sarah Mack's on the bill? Yeah! Followed by Kelly Marshall Art and Live. Yes! Erica Hughes Art. Followed by Laurie Finzer from Art by Sparkles. Yee-hoo! Then on day two, there's Lisa Marvin from Lisa Marvin Art. Yes! No way! It's Jack Hunter from J.H.A. Art Studios! Then we've got Julie Eber from Acrylic Painting with Julie E! Followed by Moose from Moose Crazy's Flowing Canvas! Then we've got Mina Villegas from Mina Villegas Art! Then would you believe we've got Angie Mason from Angie Mason Fluid Art! Followed by Marcy Farrow from Mixed Media Girl! Followed by Karen Durshin from Waterfall Acrylics! Then we've got Garrick Brown from Garrick Brown Art Studio! FLUIDSTOCK is presented by Nathan Linzo from The Fine Art of Distraction! Yahoo! So come with us and join in with all the fun over 2 huge days with all these amazing artists! FLUIDSTOCK, the Flower Child Collaboration!